Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1805 at the Gardens Hotel Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell. This is the room key. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the do not disturb and makeup room switches, a couple of light switches, as well as a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, you have a mirror with a bit of storage, a couple of bottles of water, and you have the fridge, as well as the glasses, cups, tea, coffee making stuff and kettle on the right side. I forgot to show you this in 1806, but it is a connecting room, so there's one door here and there is another door in 1806 as well. So right here we have the desk area with a mirror, in-room telephone, drawer right there, and more drawers just in front of the TV. Here is the bed. It is a king bed, so you have two bedside tables. On that side you have plugs and lights and drawers and storage, while this side is the same thing. You just have more switches together with the in-room telephone. Right here we have the in-room safe with storage below. And right here we have the bathroom with a mirror, the sink, all your bathroom amenities to the right of the sink, and storage below. Light switches, or rather light switch, together with a plug for the shaver. Another mirror. Right in front we have the shower and bathtub area with another mirror. The toilet is right there. And here we have the wardrobe, which also has a mirror on the wardrobe doors. Hello? And you have drawers, storage below, in-room slippers, bathrobes, ironing board, iron, hangers, and a pillow above. Okay, the TV is a flat screen sharp unit. Here we have a place to put your luggage with cupboards below, stool, sofa, stool or footrest, whatever you want to call it. And finally, the view. It is pretty much the same view as 1806, so you have the Gardens and Mid Valley Mall, your office buildings opposite. Opposite on this side you have the Gardens residences and more buildings around the development. That is the new development opposite Mid Valley City / the Gardens. It is called KL Eco City. As you can see the sign right there, and roads in front of the this Mid Valley City development. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1805 at the Gardens Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.